After 60, losing weight can feel impossible. Metabolism slows, energy drops. Every diet that worked in your 30s suddenly stops working. Here's the truth. You can lose weight fast at 60 plus if you follow the right steps designed for your age. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you the 3 biggest mistakes seniors make. And the simple science-backed plan melts fat safely and quickly. Welcome back to the channel. If you're over 60 and struggling with stubborn belly fat, joint pain, low energy, slow metabolism, this video will finally give you the clear, practical roadmap you've been searching for. Because weight loss after 60 isn't about starving yourself. It's about unlocking your metabolism, supporting your muscles, and using senior-friendly habits. Work with your body, not against it. Let's get started. Section 1. Why weight loss is hard after 60. Before we jump to the solution, you must understand the root cause: muscle loss. Sarcopenia. After 60, your body naturally loses muscle. Muscle is what burns calories. This muscle equals slower metabolism, hormonal changes, thyroid slows down, insulin resistance increases, fat storage becomes easier. 3. Lower activity level. Joints hurt, energy is low, the movement gets limited. The good news: all of this can be reversed faster than you think. Section 2. 3 mistakes keeping seniors overweight. Mistake number 1. Eating less instead of eating smart. Many seniors skip meals, thinking it will help them lose weight. It actually slows metabolism even more. Your body needs protein and nutrients, not starvation. Mistake number 2. Doing long, hard workouts. Don't need to spend hours on a treadmill. Seniors, long workouts spike cortisol, hormone that stores belly fat. Focus on short, joint-friendly movements instead. Mistake number 3. Prioritizing protein. Protein is the number 1 secret to fast weight loss after 60. It protects your muscles, increases metabolism, and keeps you full. Section 3. Fastest is weight loss. And for 60 pluses, step 1. Start your day with the senior metabolism. Warm glass of water with lemon, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. This wakes up digestion and helps burn fat. Step 2. Follow the 3-plate rule. For every meal, half plate veggies, 1/4 plate lean protein, 1/4 plate whole grains or healthy carbs. This balances sugar levels and reduces cravings. Step 3. 10-minute joint-friendly routine. Every morning, do 3 minutes marching, 2 minutes arm swings, 3 minutes chair squats, 2 minutes stretching, 10 minutes boosts metabolism for the entire day. Step 4. Protein at every meal. Aim for 20 to 25 grams of protein each meal. Examples: chicken, fish, yogurt, lentils. Single habit speeds up weight loss dramatically. Step 5. 8 to 3 to 8 senior eating window between AM to 3 PM to 8 PM rule. Breakfast, early lunch, strong light dinner before 8 PM. Supports digestion and fat burning overnight. Section 4. Bonus tips for faster weight loss. Drink water before meals reduces appetite naturally. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Or sleep equals weight gain. Avoid sugar drinks, spike insulin, and cause belly fat. If you're over 60, remember this: your body still has the power to burn fat, build strength, and feel young again. You just need the right plan, one that respects your age, your hormones, and your metabolism. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe. Share this video with someone who needs a little motivation today. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.